If you are aiming to pass the Avaya Aura Core Components Support Certified exam on your first attempt, then you should consider focusing on Kill Test. We've refreshed our Avaya 72201X test questions to provide you with the latest material. With these newly updated Avaya 72201X exam questions and the downloaded PDF file, you can achieve your objective and successfully pass the Avaya 72201X exam at your first attempt. No Avaya 72201X exam details. First, exam code 72201X. Exam name Avaya Aura Core Components Support Certified Exam. Relevant certification Avaya Aura Core Components Support ACSS 7220. Target confirm that you have gained a sophisticated comprehension and proficiency in diagnosing, preserving, and managing Avaya's leading communication products. Exam questions 66. Exam duration 105 minutes. Passing score 68%. Passing 72201X Avaya Aura Core Components Support Certified exam is crucial in keeping up with the rapidly evolving world. As part of this preparation, Kill Test has updated the 72201X exam questions to align with the exam objectives, ensuring you are well equipped for the exam. These questions are compiled by Avaya-verified specialists from Kill Test, who ensure you'll be able to demonstrate your proficiency in the 72201X test questions on your first attempt. You can download the PDF file from Kill Test to start your learning process. Additionally, you can check the quality of the material by reading free 72201X exam demo questions online in this video. 1. A customer called Avaya Support after their telecom administrator was unable to add 50 new telephones for new hires. Avaya Support determined that the number of telephones exceeded the capacity the system could support. Which pre-implementation step was omitted? A. Accessing support.avaya.com to verify customer systems compatibility. B. Testing all third-party equipment and software. C. Verifying that the version installed is compatible with existing versions. D. Providing accurate licensing specification. Answer. D. 2. What are the two types of certificates the Avaya server uses? A. Root or a certificate authority, CA, certificate and server identity certificates. B. Root or a certificate authority, CA, and SIP default certificates. C. Site root certificates and security certificates. D. Backup server and default certificates. Answer. A. 3. Which two SIP requests are used to allow an AST endpoint to use features provided by an Avaya Aura Communication Manager, CM? Chose 2. A. Invite. B. Options. C. Register. D. Subscribe. E. Notify. Answer. D. E. 4. What is the initial register request from a SIP endpoint rejected by Avaya Aura Session Manager, SM? A. The initial register request does not contain authentication details. B. The initial register request is rejected only if the user provided the wrong security code, password. C. It must confirm the reliable delivery of this initial register request. D. System manager needs time to look up the communication address in its database. Answer. A. 5. Ignoring presence, to be fully functional, how many event package does an AST endpoint subscribe to? A1, B5, C12, D64. Answer: B. 6. What is the purpose of a virtual, intervening, network region? A. To allow inter-gateway alternate routing, IGAR. B. To simplify bandwidth management between network regions connected via a WAN. C. To allow one network region to temporarily use bandwidth allocated to another network region if it runs out of bandwidth. D. To provide temporary overflow bandwidth when the direct allocation of bandwidth between connected network regions is not available. Answer: B. 7. During installation, through the exchange of security certificates, between which three does the trust management service establish trust? Choose 3. A. Identity management, B. Communication manager, C. System manager, D. Certificate authority, E. Session manager. Answer: C, D, E. 8. Session manager uses 5 unique certificates for TLS connections. What are the 2 most important certificates in communicating with other devices, entities? Choose 2. A. SIP certificates, B. SAL agent certificates, C. WebSphere, D. HTTPS certificates, E. management certificates. Answer: A, E. 9. When does Communication Manager insert the shortcut flag during call processing? A. During the origination phase, IMSRIG, of call processing. B. During the termination phase, IMSTERM, of call processing. C. During the initialization phase, IMSINIT, of call processing. D. During the dialing analysis phase, IMSDIALANA, of call processing. Answer: A. 10. What is the function of a virtual network region? A. It allows one network region to temporarily use bandwidth allocated to another network region if it runs out of bandwidth. B. It makes DSP resources available in other network regions. C. It allows inter-gateway alternate routing, IGAR. D. It prevents oversubscription of WAN links for interconnecting network regions with different bandwidth limitations. Answer: D.